So welcome guys. Today I am going to present you what are the different sites that are available for competitive program. So I have figured out two sites which are really important to work for the competitive programming. So these are the two sites on which I am scrolling. So let's talk about firstly of the Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is basically the programming site for the competitive programming. It has the paid version as well as it is having the free version also. In the free version, you are going to get all the programming details that are available over here. So let's start like what is there for the students who is preparing for the competitive programming for applying for different companies. So let's start with that. So as you can see that there are different articles that are there, and once the programmer is searching for programming, so it has to do some coding exercise as well as some competitions, as well as there are different levels that are there. So let's talk about each one of them. Let's scroll up and see what all material it's having. So as you can see that this is the basically site like presenting the basic, easy, medium, hard and expert level of program. So you as a fresher, you can come over here and see like what all programming questions that are available over here. Here is a step-by-step preparation guide. Here is a company preparation. So if you want to prepare for some specific company, you can come here and prepare for that particular specific company. You see, there are several companies that are present over here. Now let's move on to the design pattern, placement program. So this is basically just an overview. These are different levels of programming. These are different languages on which you can code. So this is whole, so on and so forth. You can go visit this website. This is the Petiguj website. You can go over here. The name is geeksforgeeks.org. You can go and try your luck over there, and after that you will be able to sit into different programming language with confident as well as for the different companies. Now let's move to this. This is basically a site that is LeetCode, and it is also for the programmer, but it has some specific feature, and it is also having the paid version. So as you can see that this is the interview page where the interview company, and as you can see like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Amazon, Uber, Bloomberg, Adobe, Apple. So these are basically the company, how to prepare for these companies, how to prepare for like what's the different strategy that they are having, how can you prepare for the interview as well. So it will basically clear your logical skill as well as develop your analytical skill. So these are the two websites that I found which are pretty much important to learn, and you can enhance your coding skills like going forward, doing lots and lots of practice. You can come over here and practice a lot, and then after a few days you will analyze that you are going to enhance somewhere or the other. So just try out these websites and you will definitely see the outcome within few days. And once the rhythm is pretty much like you can say pretty much there with you, then you can take your journey forward. So all the best for the programming guys that are watching my video. Thanks for watching.